Hello everyone, my name is Alex, and for the past 2 semesters, I've been working with the RIT MSD program, creating a project. And if you don't know what the RIT MSD program is, it's the engineering capstone project that all RIT's engineers must complete prior to their graduation. And with that being said, for the past 2 semesters, I've been working on this little guy called the Set and Soak. And if you don't know who he is an autonomous drip emitter, which in layman's terms means you can water your plants anytime, anywhere, precisely. And so without further ado and no more need for introduction, let's jump into the world of Set and Soak. This is Set and Soak. The Set and Soak is an automated multi-plant irrigation system designed to simplify indoor gardening. Our project focuses on solving a common problem: inconsistent watering for plants. Whether someone overwaters, underwaters, or simply forgets, houseplants often suffer from irregular care. The Set and Soak provides a reliable, hands-free solution that delivers the right amount of water at the right time. The system uses 6 individually controlled solenoid valves, allowing the user to manage up to 6 plants at once. Here you can see the mechanism that opens each port independently, followed by the system's ability to close all ports simultaneously. This gives the user both precision and convenience. At the center of our design is the Zigbee coordinator, which handles wireless communication between the control interface and the hardware. This allows to be monitored and adjusted remotely, making irrigation both accessible and efficient. To use the system, a plant's watering line is connected directly to one of the ports. Inside the enclosure, you can see the pump, the electronics, and the distribution network working together. As the lid closes, everything remains enclosed and protected while being simple to access for maintenance. Here, the Set and Soak delivers water through one of the ports, demonstrating consistent flow and predictable output. Throughout development, our team tested flow rate, accuracy, and reliability to ensure the system operates smoothly in real-time conditions. We also engaged with users to gather feedback on usability, interface clarity, and practical needs. And after everything I just said, overall, the Set and Soak combines wireless control, selective irrigation, and a modular design to create a watering system that supports everyday plant care. It reduces stress for beginners, saves time for experienced growers, and brings consistency to an otherwise unpredictable process. This is our solution to making plant care more reliable, convenient, and automated. Thank you so much to the MSD group, and a special thanks to Don McGrath, CEO of Avalanche Water Systems. Without him, this project wouldn't be anything. So thank you so much, and thank you for watching.